Hi, fellow traders. How's everybody doing? I hope you had a good day. Hope it was better than mine. My day started out frustrating. I opened my platform up to find out that the ghost trader struck again. I was in a position on ROKU. And those that know me, I don't hold over the weekend. If I'm in a day trading account, I don't swing day trades. I mean, everything about this was just wrong. But it took me all morning to get this thing sorted out. For them to see that, okay, this is the time that the trade activated. This is when I logged out, and you never saw me log back in. So, how does that happen? But they got it worked out. Everything's back to where it should be. So I'm happy about that. Just frustrated. I missed a solid trade today. I did take one because I had the buying power to get in it, but I didn't trade it well because I was focusing on something else, getting my account straight. And I probably shouldn't have traded anything. A lot of times when you do that, you end up red, but in this case it didn't. So everything is everything now. So we're good to go. Okay, this is the trade that I did take, JWN. This was on our watch list. And I scanned this morning. You can see I took the opening range trade, got it just under VWAP here. Was looking for the move and was going to take it all off here at 43.70. But of course, my mind is not on this. I'm, on the trying to get people on the phone, trying to get people in chat, email, however I can do it to get this thing fixed. So I wasn't paying attention. Then when I look back at this, we were down here in the 60s. So I'm like, we got below this level here. We're establishing below this. The next level is 43.20. So I'm going to hold it and I'll just take everything off there. Well, you can see we recovered. And I was like, well, maybe we'll, reverse off of this again. And then get that big move down. We didn't. Popped up and stopped me out. This was a profit stop. And just lost all of this profit here. I mean, I should have followed my rules. Took the trade off right here. Or as soon as I looked at it and we were down here in the 60s, go ahead and click it because I hit my target. But I'm sitting here trying to stretch it out because I'm in smaller size and I didn't do what I teach. In this case, I didn't practice what I preach. If you're trading a small size and you can't scale out, you take it at the first target. Wherever you would scale out, wherever your first target is, you take it. And call it a day. Let's reset, see if we can get another trade. Because if not, things like this happen. Now I could have easily gone red on this. But I didn't. I did catch a couple dollars, probably enough to pay for commissions. But, this is a product of me not following my rules because I was trading and my mind was on something else. I was frustrated about something else. I was working on it. My mind was there, not on trading. So I made bad decisions. And, that's just what happened here. Now here's a trade that I wanted to get in. I couldn't get in because this was on margin restriction. And all my buying power was gone until they got that position figured out. So I couldn't take this trade. And I wanted it. I wanted the 5-minute opening range breakout here. Which, if I was in my regular size, I could have gotten it, taken half off. Yeah, I would have stopped out here. But here's the reset. Off the VWAP. Nice move up. Nice pullback and hold. Nice trend continuation up. a little pullback here, right up to this 41.50 level. And then we had a nice reversal. We didn't have shares to short in Suretrader, but you know, whoever had shares to short, this was a nice, you know, real nice reversal here. So, you know, these are the stocks that I look for every day. You know, you're trading a small account, you're trading smaller size. You have to look for stocks with the larger move potential. The larger move potential. This was my first choice over this. You know, even though these look, you know, pretty wide, you know, look at this potential versus this potential. You know, this had the biggest potential of movement. It had more volume. But, you know, this was margin restricted, so had to stay away from it. But several people in chat got it. They nailed it. They made some money off it. And, you know, I was glad to see that. So the first day of this quarter wasn't anywhere near as strong as I wanted to. But just like I said in the beginning of the day, you know, when we were looking at the market, we was trying to build our watch list. And I told you then I didn't like the price action. And outside of this one stock, you know, for us, the market just went sideways. We didn't get the volatility. We didn't get the follow through on a lot of these moves. And it just wasn't there today. So if we didn't catch this stock, you know, we didn't get much. So, and that happens. We're trading the market. It's going to happen. Some days I'm not going to be in the right stock. And today I wanted to be in it, but this was my first choice, but I couldn't. So I had to make the best of it. You know, I didn't get mad. I didn't, you know, lose my cool. I just wasn't focused on the trade when it was happening. And, you know, that came back to kind of haunt me. So we're going to move forward. Tomorrow looks like it can be a lot better day tomorrow. So we're going to move forward, see if we can, you know, take some of these stocks that are setting up tomorrow and, you know, have a solid day. You know, but one thing, and, you know, I talked to a couple of traders tonight, and, you know, one of the things that came out of a couple of guys that I talked to is their belief in themselves. You know, until you believe that you can do this, you're never going to do it. You know, you have to believe that it's possible. You know, you can't let the naysayers and all of these people who have no vision and no dream, no passion to tell you that you can't do this. I know a lot of your family is like, look, you're just losing money. This isn't this, you know, you can't do this. This is a trap. You know, you can. But you have to believe. You have to put in the work. But it starts with your belief and believing in yourself and believing that you can do it. You know, you're at the point now where you know, we all want to live free and prosper. You know, we can do that. But we have to believe we can achieve that. So if you don't believe, that's where we need to start. We need to start working on your belief. Because I believe we can nail this for a quarter. Is every day going to be perfect? No. I'm sure I'm going to have some red days, you know, in this. That's just the way trading is. I mean, I know I've learned now how to identify the market when I need to not trade. And I can cut out a lot of the red days I have or limit how much I go red. But it's going to happen. And we have to accept it. But we have to believe that even through all the losses, if we do what we're supposed to do, we'll make money. The money's going to be there. So believe in yourself. That's where we need to start. So we're going to wrap it up here tonight. So hopefully we'll have a lot better recap video for you tomorrow. But I want to try to do these every day, no matter what happens. And I'm obviously some days I won't, because life happens, family happens. But every day that I can, I will try to do this throughout the fourth quarter. So you guys take care. Have a good night, good evening, and we'll see you tomorrow morning.